Does anybody know the mileage out there to Denman? 314 kilometres, 446 metres, I think. Interesting. Anyway, let's go around and check out the old Denman railway station. That should be up here. Look at this, Denman. Oh, what a big, exciting town of Denman. You know, I can actually remember the times when I worked on the railways at Riverstone. I actually sent parcels to Denman train station. Hard to believe, isn't it? And it's all gone. Here's obviously the old station master's house. If you look at the chimney, very typical railway. Something's not hard to guess either. It's got a great big water tank right next door to it. So where was the railway station? Oh, I'd say it'd be about there somewhere. Because that'd be where the water towers come in. With the old station pole light there. Probably the old boundary there. Funny that, isn't it? Close down all the railway stations. What do you do? What do you do, people? What do you do? Close down the train station. Where would people from Denman go? Would they catch it down to Sydney? I don't know. But isn't it a grand piece of structure? How do they ever get that all the way up here? Well, they put the tank on sideways inside of a freight train. Dragged it up here all by steam train. That's how they got it up here. Charcoal, coal and water. Good old station master, get down to bed. 4 o'clock every morning, go pull the lever in the points. And yes, Mr. Dog's enjoying himself. He's enjoying himself. He's loving it. He's absolutely loving it, Mr. Dog is. And here we have the local Denman swimming pool with one mum and one kid. I know, half a dozen cars. Oh, there we go. She's on her little scooty. I suppose Denman's like that out here. There's nothing much else out here. The main street's a one-way street. Anyway, not much of a Denman anyway, but lovely place to come here and visit. And there goes a Tesla. Anyway, Mr. Hominoid. Oh, hello. Something big and orange down the road. Let's have a quick look. Is that a bus or a truck? Oh no, it's just a truck. See you later, Mr. Hominoid. Enjoy looking at Musselbrook Street, Merriwa. Anyway, downtown exciting Denman. Yes, big open yards, big open, everything's open. Big white streets, very dead. It's Australian, typical Australian country town. And loop, ooh, over the dip. Yeah, so Mr. Manoid out here, Denman. Oh, I'm lost. I took the wrong road. See ya.